To use Clideo website, we need to log in first. To log into Clideo editor, we have to type Clideo video in the Google search page. Click on Clideo Online Video Tools. Click on Login. Here, I am logging in with my Gmail. Click on the email ID. Click on Continue. Click on Create Video. Click on Upload Video. It will take us to your PC drive. Select the file whichever you want to edit, then click on Open. Click on the attached file. To change the screen width and height, click on Canvas. Since I am editing for YouTube Shorts, I have selected YouTube Shorts. You can see there are multiple options available in the drop-down. You can select whichever you want. To zoom in and zoom out the attached file, click on plus and minus buttons. If you want to increase or decrease the volume for the video file, select the file, then click on Audio option. Here I am reducing the volume to 0 because I will attach another audio file. You can increase and decrease the volume according to your wish. To split the video and delete the unwanted video clip, firstly, I will play the video. To delete this piece of video, I will pause the video, then click on scissor icon. Now click on Delete. To delete the empty space, I will click on the space and then I will click on Delete. To insert some text in the video, I will click on the text icon on the left-hand side. You can select any type of text. Here I am selecting regular text. To change the text color and font size, click on the text box. You can select any color from the available colors. You can increase and decrease the font size by clicking on plus and minus buttons. You can change the text in this text box. I have increased the font according to the desired height and width. Hold the mouse and drag the text box to place anywhere in the video. You can give a background to the text box by clicking on the background option, then select whichever color you want. To change the text box shape, you can select the rounding option. To adjust the letter spacing and height of the text box, click on Adjust option. To attach music to the video, click on Music icon. There are many audio tracks that are available. You can select whichever you want. To attach the audio, select the track. You can drag the audio file up or down however you want. To delete this part of the audio file, place the cursor and click on Split. Now select this piece and delete it. To adjust the volume of the audio file, select the file, then increase or decrease the volume. If you want to adjust the speed of the audio or video file, select the file and adjust the speed accordingly. If you want to add any shapes, stickers or emojis, click on Elements. If you want to add any emoji, select the emoji, then hold the mouse to place anywhere in the video. You can turn or flip the emoji using these buttons. To export the video, click on Export, select Video Quality, then click on Continue. Now click on Download.